Hello everyone, welcome to MathAnytime.com recorded videos. In this video we'll be going over a couple examples towards completing square root with quadratics. Let's take a look at number 1. X squared minus 12x plus 32 equals to 0. The first step that we do is to get rid of the constant towards the other side. So in this particular case 32 is a constant, we're going to subtract that. After adding top to bottom, we get x squared minus 12x equals to negative 32. Second step is we take the b term, which is negative 12, we divide it by 2, and we square that up. That's the result we're going to put next to the left-hand side equation next to 12x there. So this would be negative 6 divided by 2. Negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 squared up is positive 36. That's what we're going to put right here. So we add a 36, and we add a 36 to the other side. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do it to the other side of the equation. Now, this allows us to complete the square. X squared minus 12x plus 36 equals to 4. This becomes x minus 6 in parentheses squared up. These two are the same. If you FOIL out x minus 6 squared up, you'll reach to x squared minus 12x plus 36. What we do next is we're going to isolate the x. In order to do that, we put both sides into a square root. That square root will take care of that square. So this becomes x minus 6. Since we're introducing a radical, a square root, we take the positive and negative version, and we add a 6 to both sides, which we get x equals to 6 plus or minus 2, meaning the first root is 6 plus 2, which is 8. The second root is 6 minus 2, which is 4. And these are the x-intercepts of this quadratic. Let's take a look at the other question. We're going to take the 61 to the other side by subtracting it. X squared minus 4x equals to negative 61. We're going to take the negative 4, the b term, divide it by 2, and square it up. That would be negative 2. Squared up would be positive 4. So we take that 4, we plug it into there. This would be plus 4, and add a plus 4, and this will turn out to be x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals to negative 57. And now we put this into, open up a parentheses, x minus 2, square it up. We put that into a square root. This would be x minus 2 equals to positive negative square root of 57. We add the 2. So x will equal to positive negative 2 plus positive negative square root of negative 57, which would be 2 plus negative I square root of 57. And if we factor out the 57 on this side, and divide by 3, going once, a 9, and 19 is already a prime number, so it can't be further factored. So the roots for this would be, first root would be, this one is 2 plus square root of 57. Second root would be 2 minus, back to I, 2 minus I square root of 57. And that would be the roots for this quadratic. Here were two examples towards completing the square. First step, take the c to the other side. Second step, divide the b term by 2, square it up, add that to both sides, and then put it into a parentheses. Take the first term and b divided by 2, and then we take it into a square root, and then we just figure out the two roots. This is how we complete the square. If you like this video, the best way to support us is to share this video. Please click on the like and subscribe buttons along with the notification bell. Remember, practice makes perfect.